In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the time zone in Notion. Whether you're working with global teams, collaborating across regions, or traveling between time zones, setting your Notion to the correct local time ensures your calendars, reminders, and tasks stay accurate and synced. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your Notion homepage. This is your main dashboard, where all of your pages and workspaces live. Getting familiar with this interface is helpful, especially when making adjustments like this. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Settings and Members option and click on it. This will open a settings panel with various sections for both personal and workspace customization. Once you're in, head over to the Preferences tab. Here, you'll find a number of useful options, but for today, we're focusing on the Language and Region section. This is where you can update your language preferences and, more importantly, your time zone. Now, scroll until you see the time zone field. Notion will usually try to detect your time zone automatically, but it's always good to double-check, especially if you're working remotely or switching locations frequently. Click on the time zone drop-down, and a full list of available regions will appear. This list is comprehensive, covering virtually every time zone around the world. So take your time to scroll or type in the search bar to find the correct one. Once you find your preferred time zone, simply select it. One of the great things about Notion is that it automatically saves your changes. No need to hit a save button or confirm anything. Your new time zone is now applied to all time-sensitive content within your workspace, including database timestamps, calendar entries, reminders, and deadlines. This change applies immediately, and it's reflected across all devices where you're logged into Notion. So whether you're working from your laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, your schedule will always stay in sync with your local time. If you're part of a shared workspace, keep in mind that this setting is user-specific. That means each team member can set their own time zone independently, which is especially helpful for distributed teams across different regions. And here's a quick tip. If you notice time discrepancies between members' updates, like when someone modifies a task or calendar event, double-check that everyone's time zone settings are correct. This small detail can prevent a lot of scheduling confusion. And there you have it. You've just successfully updated your time zone in Notion. From now on, all your Notion tools, from calendars to recurring tasks, will reflect the correct time, keeping you on track no matter where you are in the world. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tutorials. Until next time, stay productive and synced.